edit and shit. In fact, I know how to edit.
Even the greatest of people.
I know how to edit either.
Hey, listen. Even the greatest is messed up sometimes, man.
That's an excuse right there. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Two wheels. Hey, go down there in the light. Go in the light, I can't see you. Hey, hey. Hey, VJ. That would have been even better if people could have seen you do it. That would have been even better if people could have seen you do it. That would have been even better if people could have seen you do it. That was total darkness you went and do just now. Darkness. They can laugh at my voice. That's the only thing they get to laugh to. Because they ain't see nothing. I can edit that part out. I can edit that part out.
That part out, man. I took the bike so I can hear you.
True.
Oh my God.
You hear it, he just fall. I lie, he fall. He fall. I lie. All I see is the bike blacker than you.
Man, the bike is the same color. How much time that is going by?
3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Come in front of my house. Sorry, up. Stop fooling around. One and gas. Listen,
Drop. Shut him down, open up shop.
we don't
Oh, that's a chalk side and niggas road.
move us. I lie or not. We don't get bike to stop now.
You ain't lying.
Oh, shit. I need to change the tire.
In case you don't know, most of the time VJ is running on 3 tires.
Exactly.
Because this tire's smaller than the rest. Look, he's sitting on it, I spinning the tire. But that's how we do it. We dirty. We doing it dirty style.
Do the skills, man. Hey, watch this. I can take the skill all the way past Jun's yard. $10. $10.
Go ahead. Let me see it. Let me laugh today.
Hey,
Oh, you owe me $10. You owe me $10. You owe me $10. I am $10 richest folk. If he don't pay me, we got it on. I putting this shit on YouTube. If he don't pay me,
10 out of 3, dog.
alright. He owe me 10. If he get this, he don't owe me nothing. $20 a day, $20 $20. Alright. I give him a chance. Hey, give him a chance. Double or nothing, right?
Double or nothing.
Double or nothing.
Triple or nothing.
Damn, this dude want me. Oh, him. Okay, triple and nothing. Let's go.
Look, if I make it to the shadow, I win. Point to the light, man.
Okay.
Show the camera where the light is.
You see?
How far I go.
Where you go to that shadow? Right there. Let's go. Let's go. If you had smell-o-vision, you'd smell all the gas wasting on the floor. I think you're high off this gas right now. Two-wheeler.
I can pop this on one wheeler now.
Pop it on one wheel there. Attempt number 2.
I need clutch, man. I see this on YouTube.
Attempt number 2. Alright, we about to tear these white people out, yard up, you know.
I call this one walk the bike.
Okay. Oh Lord, the light in there.
Light in now?
The light in there.
Let's go back in front of my car.
We ain't gonna see it good. That's Rona right there. That's Rona right there going up the hill.
Huh?
Rona going up the hill. I wonder if she can stop. Come on, anyway. This, by the way, if you don't know VJ, then he probably, even if he know you, he probably didn't tell you boss his ass doing this before. So.
Boy, fuck you. Shoot. They didn't have to know that.
Okay. Attempt number
2. Was that a success?
I don't know what you're trying to do.
I have no clue.
We bringing it, folks. We bringing it, so we don't really know.
Exactly.
Man, no matter what we do, we win.
What do you want me to do? You want me to stand on the front, bring it straight around?
I tell you what we do. Videotape me. Let them people.
Y'all ain't really gotta watch this one though. Cause this nigga suck.
Ready for this, folks?
Yeah. You suck. Oh.
I cut off the bike.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. That's all, folks. CCSN. Here we go. Bitch.